eerie photo shows a man's guardian angel during a car crash. Hi everyone, I'm Sandra Matos. Welcome to I.O. So first up, before I get into the story, I want to let you all know about I.O.'s 10 Days of Christmas. Submit your photos and artwork, we'll pick our favorites, and every day we'll select one person to win a prize. Submit! A man is lucky to be alive after he was in a horrific car crash. His car was completely destroyed. It rolled over several times before hitting a ditch, then went airborne, hitting a tree, wrapping itself around it. The unnamed man was ejected from the car. He was taken to the hospital and is in serious condition, but should be dead after an accident like this. His family claims it was a guardian angel that saved him, especially after taking a closer look at this picture taken by a local pastor who saw the crash and went to help. The family claims that you can see the guardian angel in this photo. Well, geez, what a shock that someone would see a guardian angel in a picture a pastor took. Okay, I believe in guardian angels, and I do think that it's a miracle this man survived, but I don't see it. I feel like I'm looking at one of those dot paintings to see a face or sailboat, but I don't see it. Do you? They say the angel looks like he's knelt down with his hands up praying over him. Again, do you guys see it? And do you believe in guardian angels? Thanks for tuning into I.O. I'm Sandra Matos. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Tenacious Matos. Be sure to check out some of our other videos. Also like, share, and subscribe for more Inform Overload.